Not gonna lie, Quaker boy looks like a fuckboy of his time. Trying to be healthy though. Drizzle honey, yum yum. Heart, kind of. Disclaimer, I apologize in advance for how all over the place this video is going to be. I just wanted to showcase my sewing journey with these two dresses that I made. However, I didn't really plan and organize the filming part of the creation. I kind of just filmed certain random things, so it may not make sense, but I hope you like it. Please excuse my unmade bed, but got through. Here's a detail hand stitched the long length of my body part. And then when you get to the bottom, you know, I'm proud to say, okay, look at this is the bottom hem. Gets a little sketchy because I don't know how to cut with scissors. I'm like a kindergartner in that regard, but at least at the end of the day, when I turn it inside out, you never know unless you turn it inside out. I mean right side out. No one's gonna know how sketchy my sketching is. My sewing is underneath, so that's really nice. And it's just nice to make a garment finally and say this is mine. If someone asks you where you got it, I made it. Yay. Okay, I've seen some pros doing this vertically, but yes, I'm doing this on my bed because limited space. To me, it still feels way more intuitive horizontally, so I'm just going to keep going with that. Moment when it's been so long since you did a sewing machine, you think, oh, the wheel's missing, then you realize, oh snap, it's over here. So let me erase this and give it a try. I'm just going to pretend I didn't start with it backwards. As you can see, this needle has removed itself from its desired position, I should say. This is why I like hand sewing.